In the annals of natural disasters, one event stands out as a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. Join us on a captivating journey as we delve into the devastating 2018 Palu Tsunami, an event that forever altered the coastal city of Palu, nestled on the picturesque island of Sulawesi in Indonesia. September 28, 2018, started as an ordinary day for the inhabitants of Palu. Little did they know that an unrelenting force of nature was about to unfold, challenging their very existence.
The seismic wave released that day were of immense magnitude, heralding the arrival of a calamity of colossal proportions.
The earth trembled, buildings swayed, and the tranquility of Palu shattered in an instant. An earthquake measuring 7.5 on the Richter scale struck the region, leaving destruction and chaos in its wake. But the trembler was merely the harbinger of an even more cataclysmic event. A colossal underwater landslide had been set in motion, unleashing a monstrous wall of water upon the unsuspecting city. In a matter of minutes, the tsunami struck Palu with a relentless fury, obliterating everything in its path. It was an apocalyptic scene as homes, roads, and lives were consumed by the unforgiving embrace of the waves.
Dan pada saat itu, menjelang maghrib azan, saya izin sama istri saya mau isi pulsa. Ya kan? Pas isi pulsa, saya tinggalkan mereka di dalam rumah bertiga. Belum ada jarak sekitar 30 meter terjadi gempa. Pas terjadi gempa, di situ kita tidak melihat air pertama kali. Gempa semua orang terjatuh tidak bisa berdiri karena saking kencangnya gempa tidak bisa berdiri. Pas mau berdiri, menyelamatkan diri, saya lari. Kebetulan di daerah saya ada bioskop tua yang menghubungkan jalan ke rumah saya, ke gang rumah saya. Cuma satu jalan, ya di sampingnya ada bioskop tua. Kurang lebih tingginya sekitar 15 meter, bangunannya rubuh, menutup jalan sekitar. Pas saya jatuh berdiri tegak, tidak tahu seperti apa, air naik tiba-tiba, menghantam saya gelombang pertama. Pas gelombang pertama menghantam saya, tiang listrik, ada salah satu tiang listrik rubuh. Pas begitu air tiba-tiba surut, saya berdiri. Belum sampai berdiri tegak, naik air kedua. Pas air kedua menghantam saya, di bawah air sampai ke tingkat 2 rumah tetangga. Dan pada saat itu jendelanya, saya masuk dalam jendela pecah. Saya tahan tangan saya di ventilasi seperti ini, kaki saya masuk di dalam. Jadi kalau saya lepas pegangan mungkin mati.
Amidst the turmoil, stories of heroism and resilience emerged from the rubble. Ordinary individuals transformed into extraordinary saviors, risking their lives to pull survivors from the wreckage and offering a glimmer of hope amidst the despair. The world watched in awe as international aid poured into Palu, extending a helping hand to the shattered community. It was a testament to the unwavering human spirit and the power of collective compassion. In the aftermath of the devastation, Palu emerged as a symbol of resilience and renewal. Determined to rebuild, the community rallied together, forging ahead with a spirit that defied the odds. Today, Palu stands as a living testament to the indomitable human spirit. A city that once bore the scars of tragedy has transformed into a beacon of hope, inspiring countless others to persevere in the face of adversity. As we reflect upon the 2018 Palu Tsunami, let it serve as a poignant reminder that nature's forces can be humbling, yet within the depths of despair, the seeds of resilience and hope can flourish, reminding us of our collective strength as a global community. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you found this story as captivating as we did, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring tales from around the world. Until next time, remember to cherish the beauty and fragility of our planet.